Isaiah was a prophet. He listened to God, and he said, one day the Messiah would come, and he would be like a great light. He said, the people have seen a great light. Those who walk in darkness, even deep darkness, a light shines upon them. This is the light of the prophets. Let's enjoy the light. Who else could show us the way to Bethlehem? This is Mary. And this is Joseph. And this is the donkey. They had a secret. An angel had appeared to Mary and said, "Oh, do not be afraid. You have found great favor. And to you, a special Son of God will be born. And Mary, you will name him Jesus." This is the light of the Holy Family. Let's enjoy that light. I wonder, what was it like to hear God's voice? I wonder what Isaiah felt when God told him about the Messiah. I wonder if there's someone in here that might be a prophet. I wonder what Mary felt when an angel appeared to her. I wonder if she was afraid. I wonder what Joseph felt. I wonder if you've ever felt afraid. I even wonder how a lowly donkey must have felt when he was chosen. I wonder if this was a long road to Bethlehem. I also wonder if there are other people that will show us the way next week. The light here is in one place. But the light of the prophets can now be enjoyed everywhere.
I put the other one.
I'll do it this time. The light of the Holy Family is now everywhere for us to be enjoyed. What I've told you today, I did not make it up. It is written in the Bible. I'm going to read that story from the Bible. Look at my little light. Let's enjoy the light together. For God's word is a lamp unto our feet and a light to our path.